Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. What are we thinking of this high bun? Or is it giving Mother Goose vibes? I felt like when I was doing it, it was giving Mother Goose vibes, but I don't know. Let's try it with the glasses on. Is it giving Mother Goose vibes? I don't even know. But, I mean, I know I like a messy bun with like a baseball cap on, but that's kind of like cool and chic, but anyway, leave me a comment down below of a smiley face with glasses on if you think I look like Mother Goose. Anyway, I'm super excited. I have a ton of stuff to show you today, but I want to get started with the Sephora box opening because we have some stuff to open and I want to make sure we get to the goodies first. So this box is out of that box over there. And let's see what we have. Oh, cute. We are into the hair situation. So we've got a scrunchie, we got some barrettes yesterday, and today we have this neon pink ponytail holder. And I love this kind because it grips your hair without breaking it, so it stays in place. This is what I use every night. This is actually what's in my hair. It's not hot pink, but I think this is super cute. And if you have a granddaughter, young daughter, this would be super fun for them too. And then let's find day 12 in our bin. And hopefully we are, oh, she's right on top. Perfection. Okay, let's see what we have in here today is the 12-hour retractable eyeliner in matte black. Perfect. And I bought two of these. I bought matte navy and matte brown in the sale, and I'm loving it. They are giving the same vibes as Urban Decay, but at a much lesser price point. So definitely love this. So we have two really good additions to our gift basket, which is perfect. Okay, let's put this away. As you guys know, I have two sons of my own, two stepsons and one stepdaughter. And at the beginning of the season, I sent out a text to everyone asking what was on their Christmas list this year. And my youngest stepson, he's 28, 27 or 28. Anyway, loves to cook for himself. He was the only one of my stepkids that lived with us when I first got married to my husband. He was getting ready to graduate from high school. I was really into weightlifting at the time, and I would food prep and do all the things, and he was really interested and asked me a lot of questions about my food prep and stuff. Well, now he's out on his own, and he's trying to kind of build his kitchen, and he said for his Christmas list that he would like kitchen utensils, funny aprons, stuff like that. So I found this apron, and I don't want to take it out of the box because I know there is no way in heck I will get it folded up and looking and back into this box looking as nice as it does, but I'll leave you a picture of what it says. And I thought it was so appropriate for him. So funny aprons, always a really great Christmas gift for the cooks in your life, for the men that grill, even women that like funny aprons. This is a great gift idea. Next, I forgot to show you this when I showed you my pink JCrew cashmere. I also bought this cute, sweet top. I have not steamed it or anything. I'm surprised I got it on the hanger, to be perfectly honest with you. But it's got this beautiful kind of like Victorian ruffle collar, and I thought it would look really nice under like a dark gray suit or under a sweater, but it's really nice and thin. I did get a size small, and this was on sale. This is the Jules Classic Fit. The buttons are gray with the gray pinstripe, and I feel like it's just such a cute addition, and this will even transition us into the springtime really well. I don't know about you guys, but I am like on a first name basis with my Amazon driver now. And I ordered these quite a while ago, and they just showed up yesterday. I'm not sure why they were on such a back order, but I'm glad I ordered two now because I ordered one for myself and one as a gift. They are the Wonder Skin lip stains, and I've gotten several of these in the past with different colors, but I saw this color called Demure. And look at that cherry red. It's kind of like And it's hard for me to swatch it because, you know, it turns purple first. But I will leave a picture of what it's supposed to look like. But I saw this would just make a really pretty color for the holidays. So I got one for myself and one for my son's girlfriend. So I'll let you know what I think of that color. I'll use it tomorrow so we can see what we think of that Wonder Skin Demure lip color. And then also, this is not from Amazon. I have to kind of be on the sly because my son is here, as you know, and one of these is for him. So I got Sonic dental cleaners, and you put your retainers in here to get them clean, and these were on sale for like $20 off. These suckers are expensive. I was really surprised, but you just take it, you fill it with water, you put it in the spa, you turn it on, and yeah, it's supposed to like sanitize, and this is what it looks like. Let's open this one because I got one for myself. This is a good gift for anyone that wears like a night guard or has or wore Invisalign and now has retainers that they have to wear every night. So and this comes in different colors too. You can get this in black or white. I chose white just because my whole bathroom is white, as y'all have seen. So this is what it looks like. It's a little dome, and you open it up and you put some water in there and the retainer in there. And I believe it's a vibration light situation that happens that actually cleans the retainer. So I am excited to try this. I am too embarrassed to show you what my retainer looks like now, but I will show you how clean it gets once it comes out of this dental thing. So to be continued. We'll do this tonight, and I'll show you my retainer after it's clean. But this makes a great gift idea, like I said, for anybody that wears a night guard or has had Invisalign and has to wear the retainer still. Any type of dental appliance you can put in here and make sure it stays nice and clean. One more thing I wanted to show you from Amazon is this Nessairre shampoo and conditioner pack. This is the Rosemary shampoo and conditioner. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really excited to. Remember many months ago, I believe it was in the July Sephora sale, where I bought those big, huge bottles of Orbe shampoo and conditioner, and I said it would probably last me to Christmas. I was right. I probably have about an inch, maybe inch and a half left in each of the bottles. So I bought this on Amazon, and I'm really excited to try it. So I'll check back, but this is a really great gift idea. Nessairre is a great company. I love their body lotion, so I'm sure that this Rosemary shampoo is going to be just as amazing. Leave me a comment down below if you've tried this before and if you liked what it did for your hair. Hey guys, it is the end of Vlogmas day 12. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm sorry today has been such a short vlog. I hardly got anything videoed, and you have my sincere apologies. It is now the end of the night. I have worked and worked and worked on the condo, which I'm actually going back over there again tomorrow. So I'll take you with me tomorrow. But I was with my son today, and I wanted to give him my undivided attention because I don't get to see him very often. And he is a Christmas Eve baby. So I'm trying to give him some extra special attention this month. And he always does for his birthday, now that he's going to be 25 this year. So he always has done his own thing on his birthday, but I like to spend some extra time with him during the month. And it's really nice because we have this project that we're working on kind of together, but I'm just really enjoying the process with him. So I'm sorry I didn't take you with me, but he will be there tomorrow, and I will take you with me tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. If you're in the market for some new pajamas, these are amazing. I got them on Amazon. These would make a great Christmas gift if you are still in the market for some Christmas gifts for the women in your life. These come in multiple colors. I think it's like a cotton flannel. It's really nice, very thick, very heavy, but I did get them on Amazon, and I will leave a link down below. I'm just doing my skincare. My husband and my youngest son are out doing some guy things this evening, so I've had the house to myself, which has been really, really nice. And yeah, so I'm going to clean my jewelry and maybe get a book. I have not had the opportunity to sit down with a good book in such a long time. And I'm in this cohort. I've mentioned it to you a couple of times. Leave me a comment down below if you want me to kind of tell you exactly what it is. But in this cohort, they're recommending that we read a couple of books. One of them is What Happened to You. I'll leave a picture of it. Oprah Winfrey and this guy Bruce somebody. And we are supposed to have that read by our next meeting, which is in a couple of weeks. And I have not even started. So I think I'm gonna sit down with my book for a little bit and get a good night's sleep. I have a busy day tomorrow and I will take you with me. So thank you so much for joining me for Vlogmas Day 12. Comment down below of what you're doing to stay healthy this holiday season, and if you've had the opportunity to do any recipe cooking like we talked about yesterday. Like this video if you're enjoying this content. Share it with a loved one if you think they might find it fun or entertaining. Subscribe to the channel, it really helps me a lot, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13.